Good evening, guys. Have this microphone arm here. I'm gonna test it out. This is the Fine BM88. Mas barato ni siya. Hindi pagkakuda. And quick video rin siya. I'm just trying to open it. I got the white one because I have the MB7. Not sponsored anyway. I just got this thing here and let's see how this goes. Yeah. So na-unbox na ako. Pas-pas na kayong unboxing ba? What's inside is the kanisha, ang instruction. Kaning para sa table, which is white because I got the white one, and kaning sa tip, and lastly this one here. So nakanindot niya is it's low profile, so nasim table gamay siya, bubo siya, pero if you can do this you can raise it up, so it's low profile, is good. This is just a quick video. I'll make more once I'm gonna use it, but as of now I have this. It's not a review, whatever, but I think it's good. First impression, it's good. Not scientific, but yeah, it's good. Not sponsored again. Bye.